A hanging indent is a type of paragraph formatting where the first line of a paragraph is left aligned and the second line and all other lines in the paragraph are indented. The default indentation in Microsoft Word 2010 is 1/2 inch away from the left margin of the page. Hanging indentation can be used for paragraphs on the reference page of a research paper. One simple way to create a hanging indent for paragraphs is to first select the text you would like to format. This can be done by clicking and dragging your mouse over all the text on the reference page. Type Ctrl-T concurrently on your keyboard to quickly create a hanging indent. As you can see, the subsequent lines of text will indent away from the left margin of the page while the first line remains left aligned. Another way to create a hanging indent is to first use the paragraph dialog box. After selecting the corresponding text, go to the Home tab in your document. Next, click the dialog box launcher button in the paragraph group to open the paragraph dialog box. Go to the Indents and Spacings tab in the dialog box. Then navigate to the Indentation section. Locate Special and click the Special List arrow. Then select Hanging on the list. Click OK to apply the changes and view the hanging indents in your document.